Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we'd like to look at a 2100 Husqvarna. This is a 6 cubic inch chainsaw, 99 cc's. This was made in the 80s, and these were capable of running up to a 60 inch barn chain. This one has a 32 inch barn chain. Got a Oregon bar with a sprocket nose, 3/8. And that chain's a chisel chain, 3/8, 063 gauge, skip tooth. Very popular chain for cutting big wood. And I just want to show you a few things on this saw. It has a manual and an automatic oiler. It's got the heavy duty K&N filter system, which I'm going to take apart and show you here in a second. It's got the large falling spikes, wrap handlebar, which is real popular, and it's good and clean. This K&N filter is real popular around here because it was easy to maintain and it stayed cleaner a lot longer than these stock filters. And I'll show you how it works here. Got your K&N filter. And you've got what they call a V-stack. It's tapered and forces the air in and compacts it and gives better engine performance. Get a close-up of that for you. And we'll just take this cover off, take a look inside. There's the cylinder, good and clean. I did remove the muffler, look inside, it's very clean inside. And we'll fire it up here in a second. Take this big Husqvarna out here in a minute and make a couple cuts with it.